Okay, welcome back, students. Okay, in last class that was we discussed introduction about the liberalization, meaning of liberalization. Liberalization is nothing but put end and restrictions. Okay, put an end of restrictions. Put an end of restrictions on private sector. That means giving greater freedom to economic agents. They can fix, they can produce, they can estimate. Okay, everything. The freedom given to the economic agents. Under that there were so many measures happened. So first we have to discuss, that is deregulation of industrial sector. Name only it is there, D, that is before it was regulated by the government. So under that, what were the rules and regulations done by the government? That was first one is industrial licensing. Okay, before 1991, the government introduced industrial licensing system. Industrial licensing system is nothing but each and every entrepreneur had to get permission. Each and every entrepreneur had to get permission from the government. Each and every entrepreneur had to get permission from the government to start a firm, or close the firm. Okay, to start a firm or close a firm, or reduce or increase the investment on goods and services or factories. That was the licensing system. Okay, once again I repeat, we are discussing about liberalization measures. Under that, it was remove the rules and regulation, that is deregulation of industrial sector. So what it has reduced, especially before 1991, all the activities controlled by the central government, that is government only, under the government only. Government only decides price, then amount of goods and services, how much, that is what type of goods and services, everything decided by the government. Through the liberalization, okay, it is decided to remove that one. So what it has removed? So before the government, it was following which one? It had following the industrial licensing. Industrial licensing means each and every entrepreneur had to get permission. Okay, each and every entrepreneur had to get permission from the government. Each and every entrepreneur had to get permission from the government. What for? To start or close a firm. To start or close firm, and how much investment should be done. For all these things, before 1991, all the private sector private sector agent should be taken which one? Permission from the government. Okay, so that was, we can call like industrial licensing. Industrial licensing is nothing but each and every entrepreneur had to get permission from the government to start or stop the economic activities or production activities. To start a firm or close the firm, they should get which one? Permission from the government before 1991. So this was very biggest problem to the private sector, because to produce any goods and services or to start a company or a firm, for everything compulsory they should get which one? Permission from the government. So this was removed by the government through the 1991 economic reforms, that is especially under the liberalization. Before it was like this. What was? Industrial licensing. So after introduction of liberalization, they removed the industrial licensing, otherwise abolished. They abolished the industrial licensing system through the which one? Liberalization. Okay, the reforms policies or the liberalization removed the industrial licensing system after 1991 through the liberalization. Before it was under the government. Before 1991, there was industrial licensing. What was that? Each and every entrepreneur had to get permission from the government. What purpose? To start or to close a firm. or in the production activities. And also government only decide how much should be invest, how much amount should be invested on production of goods and services. Everything decided by the government. Okay, through the 1991 new economic reforms, that was especially under the liberalization, they were removed the industrial licensing. They were abolished the industrial licensing system. Industrial licensing system for all. Okay. And second one, the private sector allowed to many industries. Before it was not allowed. Okay, private industries was not allowed. Okay, private industries not allowed in many industries. Allowed in many industries. Okay. Before 1991, it was the restriction. See, the private individuals was not allowed. Okay, private industries were not allowed in many industries. Private industries or private economic activities or private people, especially private producers, not allowed to, or private sector, not industries, okay, private sector was not allowed in many industries. Private sector was not allowed. Before it was not allowed. Which one? Before 1991 economic reforms, the private sector was not allowed in many industries. But after introduction of 1991 economic reforms, through the liberalization, they removed all the restrictions. That means the private sector can allow in many industries. In all industries they can allow. Okay, can allow. Before it was not allowed. So after introduction of liberalization, through the liberalization, private sector can allow many industries. Before it was not allowed. Now after 1991 new economic policy or through the liberalization, they were allowed. They can allow the they can allow in the many industries. And also small goods could be only for small industries, small scale industries. Before 1991, many goods, especially small goods, many goods not only including for small scale industries. Okay, only belongs to small scale industries. Now they produce small scale industries also, and also large scale industries. Okay, and also controls on price fixation, that was completely under the government. Fixed of the price, that was completely under the government before 1991. But after introduction of liberalization, the price fixed by the themselves only. Those who are producing, they can only fix the price. Before it was completely under the government. Now it is belongs to private sector only, so they can fix their prices except few commodities, and remaining all the commodities they can fix their own prices. Okay, there was no restriction in fix the price. Before it was under the government. Okay, now all the especially alcohol, like chemicals industries, like explosives. Okay, these all under the private sector. Now before it was completely under. What were there? That is chemicals, and also then other industries like pharmaceuticals, and also like electronics. Okay, out of this also few belongs to government and few belongs to private. So now all the industries are open up for the private sector. All the type of goods and services open up for private industries and private sector, except few means only few goods only reserved under the government. What are they? That was especially defense equipment. equipments, atomic energy, first one is defense equipment, second one is atomic energy, and also railways, that is railway transport. Railway. Okay, now the initial the railway transport now taken to the private sector. They started. Okay, anyhow, defense equipments, atomic energy, railway, present also under the government. It is reserved for only government sector. Only government sector. Remaining all the sectors open up for private sector. That means in this also they can produce goods and services. They can enter in this also. So there was no restriction to enter to the private sector. That is, remove all the restrictions on private sector through the liberalization. Okay, now many goods and services produced in small scale industries. Before it was completely small scale industries. Now they have removed that. They can produce small scale industries and also large scale industries. And many industries, they can fix their goods and services. They can fix the price. They can fix the price for goods and services, for their goods and services. Before it was completely under the government. Now they can fix price for their goods. They can fix price for their goods. There was no restriction. Okay, and all like private sector can allowed in many sectors. Okay, before it was few goods only fixed for small scale industries. That was also removed. They can now they can produce like small scale industry goods and also large scale goods. And so many industries open up for private sector. Except these, only these things only reserved for government. Okay, these things only under the government. So anyhow, the government of India through the liberalization abolished the industrial licensing system and remove the restriction of private sector, and also destroy the restriction on small scale industries. Okay, and also they were given permission to the fix prices for their goods and services. Okay, up to this deregulation of which one? Industrial sector. Name only it is there. Deregulation. Before it was completely regulated by the government. Now deregulation. Remove the restrictions. Remove the rules and regulation. That's why deregulation of industrial sector. First one. Okay. Remaining we will discuss in next class. Thank you.